In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Calendar, how to add a calendar shared with you and change calendar view. We'll start with the quickest way to access a calendar that someone has shared with you on desktop. If you received an email invitation, open your Gmail and look for a message with the subject line, Calendar Invitation. Inside that email, click Add this calendar. That's it. Google Calendar will handle the rest. When you open Google Calendar, you'll see the new calendar appear in the left sidebar under the section called Other Calendars. If you don't immediately see it on the main grid, it may simply be hidden. Use the small checkbox beside the calendar's name to toggle its visibility. If the shared calendar doesn't show up automatically, head directly to calendar.google.com. On the left, scroll to the Other Calendars section and look for the shared calendar's name. If it's there but unchecked, click the checkbox to make it visible. Sometimes calendars are shared via a link rather than an email. In that case, click the plus button beside Other Calendars, choose from URL, paste the link you were given, and select Add Calendar. The calendar will be added to your list, and you can control whether it's shown or hidden from the same sidebar. Now let's switch to changing how your calendar is displayed. In the top right of Google Calendar, there's a view drop-down that typically says Week by default. Click it to choose the layout that best fits your planning style. Day for a close-up of a single day, week for a balanced overview, month for big-picture planning, year for a high-level glance, schedule for a clean list of upcoming events, or 4 days for a compact rolling snapshot. The moment you pick one, the layout updates instantly, so you can quickly compare and settle on what works best for you. To move even faster, use keyboard shortcuts for views. Press D for day, W for week, M for month, Y for year, and A for the schedule view. These shortcuts work when your calendar tab is active and make switching perspectives nearly instantaneous. A few quick tips to keep things clear as your calendars multiply. Week view is great for detailed work planning, while month view makes long-term scheduling easier. Color code shared calendars, so events are easy to recognize at a glance. And remember, you can turn any shared calendar on or off at any time using the checkbox beside its name in the Other Calendar section. That's all you need to confidently add shared calendars and tailor your view in Google Calendar.